Hey there! In today's tutorial, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of image transparency in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft PowerPoint. Then add the image that you're going to change the transparency. At the top columns, click Insert, then Pictures, and then choose for the image that you're going to use. Go back to Insert again. Then go to Shapes, then click the rectangle. What we're going to do is make a rectangle shape based on the image that we are using. Now shape your image with the rectangle. And then click and hold the rectangle, then drag it beside of your image like that. And then next is copy your image. Then right-click into the rectangle that you made. Then at the bottom of the following options that will appear, there is a Format Shape option. By clicking the Format Shape option, there's an option that will appear on the right side of your screen. Click for the bucket, and there is a 2 columns which is Fill and Line. Click the Fill, and then click the Picture or Texture Fill. Then Clipboard. As you can see, the rectangle that we made has changes the same of the image that you choose earlier. Now there is an option for transparency that you can use on how much image transparency you want it to be. You can click and hold the line beside the transparency option, and drag it side to side to change the transparency of your image. As you can see, the image is changing its transparency by your command. And you can also use the up and down button at the edge of the box, so you can control the percentage of the transparency of your image exactly just by clicking it. And of course, you can also type the exact percentage of your image transparency. That's it. It's pretty simple, right? I hope you enjoyed learning how to change image transparency in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting video tutorials. Thank you for watching.